students, welcome back. Let us start with exercise 14.2 of chapter 14, statistics. The first question, very simple one. The blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the most rarest blood group among these students. So now this is the data of the blood groups of 30 students. You have blood groups A, B, O, AB. Yes, these are the 4 blood groups that have been given. So we learnt about 3 types of representations of data. One was ascending descending order. Do you think that is feasible over here? It isn't really feasible because we're talking about the blood groups. There's nothing in ascending or descending order about the blood groups. Just because A comes first, B comes first and O comes later and AB comes is 2 digits, so it comes even after O, we can't really represent it as ascending descending. So ascending descending is out of the question. What about ungrouped frequency and group frequency? So I think this comes in ungrouped frequency. Why? Because these are different groups. There is no interval that we can draw for group frequency, right? You can't say from A group to B group, from O group to AB group. These are individual values on their own of the blood group. So this will come in ungrouped frequency. So let's get started with the distribution table. The first column obviously would be that of blood group. So I'll say blood group. The second one is where we are going to maintain a count, so tally marks. And frequency, frequency of the number of times a blood group occurs amongst a student. And let's list down the different blood groups in the first column. So you have A, then you have B, then you have O, and you have AB. Is there any other blood group? I don't think so, there isn't any blood group. And finally, we'll write down the total. So I'll erase this section as it's of no importance. We do not have any more entries. Now let's get started with the tally marks. So starting with A, you have A, 1, then in the first row there's another A, so 2, then third row, 3, fourth row, the second row itself, and 5 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. Again I have A, so another entry, then A, another entry, no, then A, here 1, and A here 1. So what's this count? This is a count of 9. The frequency of occurrence of blood group A amongst 30 students is 9. That is 9 out of 30 students have blood group A. Okay, now let's proceed with B. So blood group B in first row 1, in second row another 1, then another 1, then here you have 1 here, so 5, and 1 here, 6. So 6 out of 30 students have blood group B. Let's proceed with blood group O. So you have O, then O, O, O. Okay. Second row, 5, then 1 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So another group of 5 tally marks. And then you have O, and you have O. So this is 5 plus 5 plus 2, which is 12. Let's write down 12. Now AB. So AB I have 1, then 2, then 3. Is there anything that we have missed out? I don't think so. But let's confirm whether our entries are right or not. We are going to do a total calculation of the frequency and it should be 30. If it's not 30, then we've gone wrong somewhere. So let's check. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, and 30. So yes, our total count of frequencies is 30. So our entries are right. Now looking at the table, this is the ungrouped frequency distribution table. Looking at this ungrouped frequency distribution table, we have to answer 2 questions. Which are the most common blood group and which is the most rarest blood group. So looking at the table, the most common blood group is O, because it has 12 entries. That means the number of occurrence of blood group O is more, right? So 12. And the rarest of the blood group is 3, because the number of entries is really small compared to the other entries of blood groups A, B and O. So let's write this down. So this is 12 for O, or rather we will write O, which has 12 entries, and AB, which has 3 entries. So I'll just rewrite this in a yellow colored chalk just to make it more comparable to the frequency distribution table. So here is the solution to the first question. Please take a look. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.